Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers reliable water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95032, specializing in plumbing, drains, and sewer systems with expert solutions. With a focus on quality workmanship and customer satisfaction, our team delivers dependable services for both emergency and scheduled repairs. Are you looking for water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95032? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What services are included in water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95032? Our water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95032 cover plumbing issues, drain repairs, and sewer line problems. We also address water pressure issues, leaks, and system inefficiencies to ensure optimal performance. How long does it usually take to complete water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95032? The time for water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95032 depends on the issue's complexity, ranging from a few hours for simple fixes to a day or more for extensive work. We ensure efficient service without compromising quality. What is the service area of Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides services in various locations around Scotts Valley, including Bonny Doon, Rio Del Mar, Aptos, Boulder Creek, Chemeketa Park, Brookdale, Capitola, Soquel, Live Oak, Lomond, Seabright, Olympia, Mount Hermon, Laurel, Felton, and Santa Cruz. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located in Los Gatos, California? We are located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive Avenue Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Our phone number is 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Scotts-Valley-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair.